Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome to my channel Let's Spread Happiness. In this video, I will show you the solved past paper of FPSC which was held for the post of Assistant Executive Engineer in MES Military Engineering Services. So first of all, let me tell you about the syllabus of this post. It comprises of 100 MCQs, of which 20% MCQs are taken from general knowledge and English portion, and 80% MCQs are taken from subject. That include electric circuits, high voltage engineering, electrical instrumentation, power factor, and AC fundamentals, and also the topics related to electrical engineering. Before going into details, first of all, let me tell you some tips and guidelines how to prepare for such posts. Other than FPSC, electric companies like ISCO, FESCO, LESCO conduct their tests for the post of SDO Junior Engineer Electrical through NTS, and many MCQs, about 60 to 70% MCQs, are taken from this book. A Honda, H Honda, or the authors of this book, Electrical Engineering Objective Type. 70% MCQs are taken from this book, and some MCQs are also taken from Smart Series Electrical Engineering book. If you want these books in soft copy, PDF form, so you can mention your email address in comment box, and please subscribe my channel as well as recognition of my effort. So I will send you soft copy by email, and it will be much helpful for you. So let's start. First question is, if the angle between voltage and current is 90, the power delivered will be, in case of reactive power, the power formula is P is equal to VI cos theta. Here theta is 90, so cos 90 is 0. The overall power will be 0. Correct option is C. For complex current, I is equal to 5 plus 5 sine pi 100 t amperes. The average current value will be, the correct answer is 5 ampere. B is the correct answer. DC motors and generators portion. The basic requirement of DC armature winding is that it must be a closed one. It does not make any difference if it is lap winding or wave winding. These are types of winding, but it must be closed one. The main disadvantage of using short pitch winding in alternator is, correct option is B. It reduces the total voltage around the armature coils. For a single phase induction motor with capacitor attached, the power factor will be, correct answer is 0.6 lagging. C is the correct option. Van de Graaff generators are useful for very high voltage and low current applications. Correct option is A. Find the frequency if speed is 1800 RPM and 4 poles. You know the formula NS is equal to 120 F divided by P. By adjusting the equation, the correct answer is B, 60 Hz. A capacitor start, capacitor run single phase induction motor is basically a two phase induction motor because it gives phase shift. Correct option is C. The torque developed by a split phase induction motor is proportional to sine of angle between Im and Is. Im is main winding current and Is is starter winding current. Correct option is A. 4 poles, 12 slots and 2 coils per slot, progressive back pitch is, correct option is A. You can see the formula of back pitch from Google. Why skewing is done of induction motor? The correct option is B. It increases the starting torque. Efficiency and power factor of induction motor increase by proportion of speed, voltage and mechanical load. Correct option is A. A capacitor start single phase induction motor will usually have a power factor of, correct option is D, 0.6 lagging. An overexcited synchronous motor draws current at, correct option is B, leading power factor. Must remember that synchronous motor is also used for correction of power factor. The power factor of alternator depends on correct option is A. For maximum power delivery, transmission voltage should be high. Correct option is A. For long distance, high voltage transmission line is used. At user end, it is down converted from 11,000 or 33,000 to 220 volts domestic voltage. The phenomena of corona is generally accompanied by a hissing sound. Correct option is B. Power factor questions. In order to improve the power factor of equipment operating a leg connected, correct option is B, in parallel with the equipment. For consumer, what is the most economical power factor? Correct option is C, 0.85 to 0.95 lagging. The primary reason for low power factor is due to installation of induction motors. Correct option is A. The most suitable location of power factor improvement device is correct option is D, near the electrical appliance which is responsible for poor factor or at the receiving end in case of transmission line. For maximum current in diode, it will be in forward bias. Correct option is A. When base voltage increases, the Q point goes up. Correct option is A. Input resistance of operational amplifier is correct option is A, infinite. The major advantage of phototransistor as compared to photodiode is correct option is C, increased sensitivity. The difference between phototransistor and photodiode is transistor is NPN device while photodiode is simple PN device. Photodiode is generally used in solar cells while phototransistor is used as to detect some light or as sensor. Device used to separate input circuit from output circuit is correct option is B, optocoupler. If the series resistance increases in an unloaded Zener regulator, the Zener current correct option is A, decreases. If the load resistance increases in Zener regulator, the Zener current correct option is C, increases. The device associated with voltage control capacitance is correct option is C, vector diode. The average DC output voltage for half wave rectifier is 13.05 volts. Average value for a full wave rectifier will be correct option is A, 26.1. When transistors are used in digital circuits, they usually operate in correct option is C, saturation and cutoff regions. Power amplifier in high frequency applications are mainly used as a switch. Correct option is A. Power utilization MCQs. Ultrasonic welding frequency range is correct option is B, 4000 to 20,000 CPS. CPS is cycles per second. It is the old name of frequency which is now hertz. So 4 kilohertz to 20 kilohertz is the frequency range of ultrasonic welding. A welding generator has correct option is C, linear characteristics. The maximum resistance of color code resistor with red, black, green, blue colors is correct option is C, 2 megohm. You know the formula or how to remember the resistance color codes. BB Roy, Goes Britain, you must know it. A Tesla coil is correct option is C, high frequency resonant transformer. Which of the following is polar dielectric? Correct option is C, nylon. If the resistance decreases with rise in temperature, the coefficient of resistance will be correct option is B, negative. For insulators and semiconductors, the coefficient of resistance is negative. Danger of electrode is maximum during electrode insertion time. Transformer contribute to radio interference due to correct option is D, all of the above. Corona discharge, internal and partial discharge in insulation sparking. Which instrument is used for DC measurement only? Correct option is permanent magnet type instrument. B is the correct option here. Moving system of indicating meter is associated with, correct option is D, all of above, damping, deflection and restoring torque. Kilowatt hour meter is a energy type of meter. Correct option is C. PMMC stands for permanent magnet moving coil. It is used for DC measurement. Which of the following technique method is used for measurement of AC high frequency voltage? The correct option is A, peak voltmeter. Phase shifting transformer controls, correct option is A, active power. Synchronized grid has, correct option is C, synchronized frequency. Deregulated PS is unbundled. Power system are predominantly in dash state of operation. The correct option is A, steady state of operation. Real and apparent power units are, correct option is B, kilowatt and kVA, kilo volts ampere. Switching surge is a, correct option is C, short duration transient voltage. Paschen's law is associated with, correct option is A, breakdown voltage. Surge voltages originate in power system due to, correct option is B, any of the above, fault, switching operation, lightning. Corona results in, correct option is A, audio or radio interference. Point and draw devices, correct option is B, mouse. Handheld computers are also called, correct option is A, personal digital assistant. Next is English portion. It is required by all staff that they should follow. The sentence is not complete here because I could not exactly remember the complete sentence. This is the English portion. You must practice it yourself. And here comes the power system protection. Insulators for high voltage applications are tested for, correct option is C, power frequency tests and impulse tests. Polar dielectrics are normally used for, correct option is C, DC and power frequencies. Most efficient type of damping is eddy current damping in motors. Non-polar dielectric, it includes methane and benzene, etc. So I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe my channel and share this video as well. Thank you very much for watching.